Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to find prohibited file types in Windows. This is the same operation for, I think, Windows 7, 8, and 10. So, in CyberPatriots, often there are prohibited files or files that are not allowed to be on the computer, and this is a method in which you can find them. Click Start, and then type in CMD to open command line. What you're going to want to do uh, to make sure that you can access all files all over the computer, you right click on it and then click Run as Administrator. And you click Yes, and this will navigate you to C Windows System 32. In order to, if you don't know what command line is, it is you can sort of think of it as File Explorer. At any given point, you're in a folder somewhere. So right now we are in the System32 folder, and we're trying to get to the C/users folder. So in order to go up in the folder system, you type in cd ... and you repeat that as many times as necessary. And then if you type in dir, you can see what folders are in and the proper term is directory. What directories or folders are in the directory you are currently in. So as you can see, in the C drive, there is the users directory. So we type cd users, and that puts us in the users directory. And now to start searching for prohibited file types, we use the command dir, but with some modifications. So if we say dir/s/b asterisk dot, and then here you type the file extension for the file type you're looking for. So if you want to look for MP4s, you type it MP4, and then you can hit enter. So there's no MP4 files. Now, certain prohibited files like JPEGs, there are a lot of JPEGs that Windows included with the operating system under a folder called app data, and we don't care about those, but they tend to clutter the command line when we search for them. So if we search for a JPG file, we can add this little bit at the end, and it will ignore anything in the app data folder. So type that, and then find str, and then /vir, and then app data. And so you can see this list is pretty short, and if you look, so we see some sample pictures, and then we see under the user Gimli pictures, he has some picture of Saruman. So we'll delete that. One thing to note is often in the forensics questions, I've seen it ask for the location of where a prohibited file was, like a picture or something like that. So what you can, this is useful for finding the name or file path of those pictures, but make sure to again look at the forensics questions before you do anything else, because if you delete this first, or delete the file first without taking note of its location, that'll be a forensics question you can't answer. So also, if you just look, if we deleted this last piece, all of this was stuff that was in app data we don't care about. And so, yes, and to search for different types, you replace, so let's say we want to look for GIFs, type in /GIF, and then we can see two more prohibited files and their locations. So then you can navigate to those and delete those. And that's it for this video.